Welcome to Module 2 of NeuralSeek's REST API Hands-on Lab, Browsing and Testing. This will take about 10 minutes and is for all beginners. To begin, let's start by browsing the REST API. Begin by opening your NeuralSeek instance. Click Integrate tab on the top of the menu. Before we can test out the REST API, we first need to provide a valid authorization key. In the first page, Watson Custom Extension, copy the API key authorization by clicking the copy icon next to it. Click API on the left pane. Click the Authorize button on the bottom right. Paste the copied API key into the value and click Authorize. Now, scroll the page to see the list of the available REST API endpoints that are available. Now, moving on to testing a REST API call. You're now ready to test one of these endpoints to see how they work in more detail. Click /seek. After that, click Try It Out. You will be presented with the request object, which is a JSON message payload. Most of the values are pre-populated, so all you need to do is update the necessary parts. Let's modify the question by updating the string with, "Tell me more about NeuralSeek." Click Execute. After waiting for a short second, you can see the full request command that you just submitted, conveniently shown as curl command. With this curl command, you can paste it into any shell and immediately run to get the same response. But let's focus on the response itself. Scroll down the page and you'll see the response body content of what NeuralSeek has returned. You can additionally copy the response to the clipboard by clicking the clipboard icon on the right bottom of the text area, or even download it by clicking the download button. At the bottom of the page lies a list of JSON schemas that the REST API uses. Viewing the schemas would give you details on how you can formulate your JSON messages that are accepted. Scroll down to the page into the schemas list. Click Seek. Browse through the section and click any nested sections to reveal the structure of the JSON message and the descriptions of it. For example, in the search options, you can specify language to let NeuralSeek know what language you're interested in getting the response in. As an extra exercise, you can use this to create a JSON message and paste it into the REST API docs try mode and see how they work. After you're done with the lab, please close the browser to finish up. In conclusion, we've learned where to find the REST API page in NeuralSeek, how to browse the list of available endpoints, and try out invoking the actual service using it. We also went through the list of JSON schemas that can form the messages to these APIs. We can now integrate NeuralSeek with any applications that can call its services using REST API.